Reading is a common habit of almost all successful people. When mentors give advice to replace your bad habits with good habits, they must advise you to change your TV watching or scrolling habit with reading. Reading on a daily basis generates a sense of maturity and boosts your knowledge. In simple words, you can say that reading is a therapy for successful people. If you are looking to enhance your reading habit and dive into the world of books, here we have something very great for you in today's video. In this video, we'll share 6 valuable tips to help you cultivate a strong reading habit that will open up new horizons for personal growth and knowledge. From setting reading goals to finding the right reading environment, these tips will transform your reading experience. Let's get started. Number 1. Set reading goals. Set achievable reading goals to track your progress and stay motivated. Whether it's reading a specific number of books each month or exploring different genres, setting goals will keep you focused on your reading journey. For example, aim to read at least 2 books every month from diverse genres like fiction, non-fiction, and self-help and follow it strictly. Number 2. Create a reading routine. Designate a specific time each day for reading to establish a consistent reading routine. It could be early morning, during lunch breaks, or before bedtime. Consistency is key to building a strong reading habit. For example, dedicate 30 minutes every night before going to bed for reading your favorite books and see the magical change in your life. Number 3. Choose the right books. Select books that align with your interests and preferences. Reading books that captivate your curiosity will make the reading experience more enjoyable and rewarding. Selecting a good book is as important as selecting the right partner or good friend for you. For example, if you have a passion for mystery novels, start with a best-selling detective series. Number 4. Eliminate distractions. Find a quiet and comfortable reading spot where you can immerse yourself in the book without distractions. Turn off electronic devices and create a peaceful reading atmosphere. For example, designate a cozy corner in your room with a comfortable chair and good lighting, away from noisy surroundings. Number 5. Take notes and reflect. While reading, jot down key points and reflections in a notebook. Taking notes helps reinforce your understanding and allows you to revisit essential insights later. For example, while reading a self-help book, note down inspiring quotes or actionable tips that you can apply in your life. Number 6. Join a book club. Participate in a book club or reading community to discuss books with like-minded individuals. Engaging in book discussions will enhance your understanding and provide fresh perspectives. For example, look for online book clubs or start one with your friends who share the same reading interests. By following these 6 tips, you'll strengthen your reading habit and unlock a world of knowledge, imagination, and personal growth. Remember, reading is a lifelong journey, and every book you read takes you a step closer to being well-informed and successful. Happy reading! We hope this video was very helpful to you. If you find it helpful and valuable, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share this video with your friends because you know sharing is caring. Thanks for watching.